Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make a picture frame in CorelDraw, a designing program. So if you want to design your own picture frame without the use of presets, I mean picture frame presets, or maybe some presets that may have copyrighted kinda elements in it, so this is for you. Let's create a new picture frame. Click on File, click on New, and then let's say if you want to do a portrait A4 picture frame, click on OK, just like this. And then click on Layout, and then click on Document Options. Head over to Page Size, and then click on Add Page Frame to make a new background that corresponds with the size of the canvas or the workspace. Alright. Now this is the edge of the picture frames, where there will be pictures just like this. Alright. And then you can make some areas of the pictures that you can intersect with an image by using intersect, and then you select intersect with, and then you click on the image, and then the selected image can be dragged, and then the original picture can be deleted, so that you can bring it back into the original position that's cropped, that's intersected with the square. Alright, create new one, new areas for your picture frame, just like this, for example. Maybe I have to resize it just like this, maybe, and you can probably make a novel just like this. Then you can make longer rectangles by copying this square and then paste it. Then you can adjust the size just like so, and then maybe you can do some more just like this. No, actually I want to make it look like this pretty much. So that's the example of the areas of the picture, just like so, in this picture frame. And then we can group the objects just like so, and then we move the picture area. To make a template, well, the simplest template to make is a pattern formed by rectangles. Just simply make a new rectangle and then color it with the color that you want, and then copy it, and then you do another rectangle, and then you color it just like this, and then you group the objects, and then just right click on this part of this palette so that the outlines are gone, and then you copy it back again, and then you select, and then you copy, and then paste it, and then you do it repeatedly until there's this pattern, you know. And then you can adjust the size. Then you maybe rotate it to like 30 degrees, and then on a 45, for example, and then you just copy and paste it just like this again, just like so. No, that's the wrong position. And then you just can okay, select them all, and then make them select the center part of the pattern that we just made, and then drag it into the center of the picture frame. And then we can adjust the positioning so that the area of the picture frame is in front of the page, and then click on intersect with, and then you're done. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? Now the area is selected. Some parts of the pattern that we just made is selected according to the size of the canvas, and then bring this back just like this. Bring it to the front. It's already in the front. And then voila, it looks cool. Now you can add some pictures in it by intersecting some pictures with these shapes. One picture goes here, and then the picture is selected, and then you select intersect with this shape, and then you can do this same method for the other pictures. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can make your own picture frame in CorelDraw, a designing program. You can even add some shapes for your picture frames, and then you can adjust the size of the shapes to make it look like This is the preset that I just made. Like it consists of several shapes that I positioned so that it looks like a pattern. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.